coming from someone whose dad and brother combined owned 72 bars, I can guarantee you without a doubt they would have never put this in one of them, and they still wouldn't. But it doesn't mean that it's right. Our actual beer sales are up, I think, right around 300% since we put the bottoms-up system in. So it's absolutely insane. And we would formerly, on a busy Friday or Saturday night, do anywhere from $3,000 to $4,000 in sales, which quite frankly wasn't a lot. Just here recently, we had our first $18,000 night, and I think that was directly facilitated through the bottoms-up system. My name's Austin Gore. I'm the owner of BoJak's Bar and Grill in Franklin, Indiana. We are located right next to Franklin College in the heart of downtown Franklin. So when we put in the bottoms-up system, obviously it was a sizable investment. I think at this point in time we have the largest system in Indiana with 30 different units. Anyone that's looked into the bottoms-up system knows it's expensive, and I know that's got to be something that's holding you back, but at this point in time we're looking to pay off this system in 7 months alone. And I think that anyone that does look into this system and does end up buying this system, if you can't pay it off in under a year like they've stated, I think you have other issues. So the bottoms-up system has been so great to our business that not only are we looking to expand the current business that we're in, we're actually going to expand locations in 2019. In the new bar, without a doubt, 100%, I will do another 30 bottoms-up beer taps in that bar. It's been so great for our business here, I couldn't imagine running another bar without it. So at the end of the day, some of you guys are going to see this, and no matter how much we tell you that this system is going to make you money, or it's going to serve your customers better, or your bartenders are quite frankly going to love you for it, you're not going to do it. You know, we could tell you till you're blue in the face and it's never going to happen. But to anyone that's actually on the edge with this system, you're actually thinking about it, it's something you may want to do, come take a look, you know, on a Thursday, Friday, Saturday night when we're really selling a lot of beer, and ask me questions. You know, I'm here every single night. You can ask me questions and I'd be happy to help you right there on the spot. This is something that the industry needs. It's unbelievable. We could all make a whole lot more money, and me personally, I love the bottoms-up system. My employees love the bottoms-up system, and I think you will too.